guys, it's Molly from Nookal. We know how busy and fast-paced the clinic environment can be sometimes, so I wanted to highlight a feature that you may not be aware of to help you to speed up those repetitive admin tasks. In Nookal, we have a few keyboard shortcuts that can be used when viewing your diary or when the appointment window is open for a client's booking. These shortcuts allow you to quickly perform an action with the least amount of effort. So let me teach you a few. So when you're looking at the diary, you can change the diary view to a month view by typing M. N will show you the notification panel, and O will take you to the diary options page. And when in the appointment window, G will open the generate invoice page. R will allow you to rebook the client. And N will take you to the clinical notes for this client. If you're liking the sound of these shortcuts or want a refresher of what keyboard tiles perform what actions, don't worry, we have a cheat sheet for you to view by going to options and clicking onto the keyboard icon. Our keyboard shortcuts are a quick and simple way to speed up those repetitive tasks so that you can keep your focus on providing high quality care for your clients. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you press the like button. This helps us to know what topics you want to see more of. And if you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.